I'm Sagar Naik. I'm student of this study one chapter. Hemophilia is basically a blood disorder wherein the blood, as this is the person start bleeding, doesn't clot. So we have some factor deficiency in the blood which helps in clotting. So because of this bleeding, we develop joint disability. So when it's bleed, we take this medicine through injection for factor A. When you take this medicine, then the bleeding stops.
Basically, what happens is, all India level, a lot of awareness programs are happening through Hemophilia Federation of India. That is the parent body. It has 4 zones all across India and 95 chapters doing same awareness program, which we in Goa are doing through Goa Hemophilia Padji chapter. We are doing that is all India. Now the situation is awareness about hemophilia is very less. That awareness is very important. It travels through mother, not through father. So what happens is in our society, women get stigmatized because actually it goes through mother, heredity. And if you don't have treatment on time, then the people become orthopedic disabled. So it affects them. Many people come in wheelchair. At all India level, we feel that there should be at least 1 lakh patients of hemophilia disability of blood condition. However, because of less awareness, the number is today, registered number is 29,500. So it should be more awareness should be generated. That is the reason we are here, to tell people, to make them aware, and not to stigmatize women, because now all technology, medical science has progressed. So medicines are easily available, assistive technology is available, detection before birth is allowed, so that you know if the child, male child will have orthopedic disability because of hemophilia. So you know whether to decide to have that child or not to have. All these things are there. So when this kind of awareness is generated, people will come out about it. Now they hide it. When in a school, a small child gets bleeding, parents tell, school teacher and school management, don't tell people that my daughter has hemophilia. Why? They get scared that stigmatization will affect. So this should be done away with, and scientific temper among people and awareness will help the future children. Today, because of medicine availability in Goa at GMC, Goa Medical College, we have a daycare center where 2 beds are kept for these people if they need an emergency. In pediatric ward, children with hemophilia are treated immediately without delay, so that their problem does not aggravate. And what we feel with this scientific development, with this medication which is evolving by the day, we feel that younger people now of hemophilia will not go into orthopedic disabilities much more. They will be as able like other persons.
I'm also working and I'm also working for the chapter, which is affiliated to Japan, Hemophilia Federation of India. So I have been selected as an ambassador for person with hemophilia. So our society is doing a lot of awareness regarding hemophilia. And this purple festival is a really good for us. 24 awareness program.